Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for this video today. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of my KDP books that I have chosen and purchased from Amazon, and they finally arrived today, and so I figured, hey, now is the perfect time to do it. I got a few requests of people wanting to see me unbox some of my KDP books, and I was like, you know what, that would be awesome. I can make a giveaway out of it. So I thought this would be a fun to celebrate my 5,000 subscribers giveaway. Granted, I'm at like 6,500 now. I was at like 5,000 when I purchased the books, but I live out in Idaho in the middle of nowhere, and Amazon Prime isn't like really a thing out here. So it took a little while, but here I now am. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I super duper appreciate it, which is why I'm doing this giveaway, and also because I thought it would be fun. So one thing I would like to note for this giveaway, there are going to be 6 winners. Here is the box in question with all of my beautiful books in it. There are 8 books in it, but there are only going to be 6 winners. 2 of them are duplicates just because I'm going to keep them for myself because I like them. I'm going to give some more giveaway details later, but for now, let's just get into the unboxing. So again, here is the box. I have not opened it yet, as you can see, which is what I'm going to do now. And if I just prop it on my knee, you can kind of see it. Okay. Fun fact, I'm really horrible at opening boxes. I like always destroy them, but this one's not so hard, so I can do it. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, I got the tape. Now I'm opening it. Voila. Alright. Here's the best part. Tons of paper. Okay, I'm gonna do it all individually. I'm just gonna sit this on the ground and do them one at a time. I already see them and they're adorable. Okay. Paper. Oh, you guys, they're so cute. Oh, this is so cool. So, now I'm going to show you my books. We're gonna go one at a time. I have a couple composition books in here. I have some regular notebooks. I have some coloring books. Some are kind of Halloween themed. Like by the time that you guys will actually get the books, it will no longer be Halloween. But Halloween is like one of the most beautiful holidays. So it's not a bad thing. I hope you like that. Anyway, so let's start with the one that's at the very top. So this is a notebook of mine. It is super duper cute. I'm gonna make sure you can see it properly. This is so cute. Look at it lined up like pretty much perfectly with the spine. I went with just this one dark color that kind of matched like this purple here, and it has a matte feel to it. So here's the matte look. So this is kind of to be like Halloween-y, pastel Halloween. That's what I'm going with. Oh, it looks so cute. And then opening it up, oh, it's so cute. I have, you'll see I have this adorable, this book belongs to page. And then moving on, we have all the line pages. And I have this kind of cute, like Halloween look to them. This is literally so cute, you guys. I don't even want to part with this. It's so cute. But yeah, here this guy is. It is adorable. I love it so much. But yeah, as you can see, it just says notebook, pastel Halloween. This is kind of the line that I was going for making because it looks really cute and I love it. So yeah, this is one of the ones I'll be doing for the giveaway, and it's adorable. So if you want this one, you might get it. Those of you who've been following my channel, you know composition books are kind of my thing, so I kind of had to get some composition books. This composition book, it has not sold before. I'm definitely gonna like try doing ads for it or something next year because it is literally so cute, and I'm so happy with how it came out. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, here it is. It's got this cute little bee, these cute little bees on it. Isn't this literally the cutest, you guys? It is so cute. So this is College Ruled composition book. I'm realizing now that this is probably flipped around for you, and I don't know what to do about it. Wait, have I messed everything up? And now looking inside the book, you'll see that it's just standard blind because it's mostly like geared towards students, which is why it's college ruled. Very simple. That's pretty much the way that most of my composition books are, depending on like how exactly I made it work and everything. And it's so cute. It's literally so cute. It's hard to see because the lines are very light colored, but see, And I love the bees. I love the bees so much. And it kind of goes to the back. You see the cute little flowers and then just the bees are in the front. This one's really cute and it is going to be one of the giveaway ones. So if you want it, you might be able to get it. It's really, really cute. It's literally adorable. I love this thing. Okay, moving on. So this one, I actually have 2 of it. And I've actually seen this one before because my sister got one for this dinosaur class that she was doing for college this year. She thought it'd be fun if she got herself a dinosaur book. And so she got this book. And I have seen it before because she got it. I think I already just mentioned that. But it is so, so cute, you guys. I love this book. Like, I had just made it for my sister and then it ended up becoming like one of my best sellers. It is so cute and I love the dinosaurs. Composition book, 200 pages, college ruled. So yeah, my books are both college ruled. And again, lines inside. And it's just, oh, it's so cute. Like, I love the dinosaurs. I love this like cutesy kawaii look to it. And it's so cute, you guys. And I do a second one because I wanted to keep one. So, but one of these will be a giveaway book. So if you want it, you might be able to get it. And now, these guys are so cute. Sorry, I'm just kind of obsessing over it before I show you. This is a Halloween coloring book that I created for adults. Bring it a bit closer so the lighting doesn't make it look all washed out. But, oh, it looks so good. 44 stunning drawings. It looks so cute. And so yeah, we've got this book belongs to on the front. And then we've got all the coloring pages. Looks really good, honestly. Looks really good. So, sorry, here are all the coloring pages. Oh, let me show you. Yada, yada, yada. We've got a couple skull ones. They're kind of interspersed. But I'm showing you all the pages that are the skull ones because it's going weird. The one right after this one is not a skull one. See, there we go. So yeah, I've got kind of this mandala. I don't remember what the official term is. So we've got these kind of patterned ones, and then we've got the skulls, and it looks really, really cool. It's super duper cute. And on the back, I just have like an example of 3 of the ones that are in the book. This looks really cute, guys. I'm very happy with how it came out. It looks really good. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Yeah, this would be really, really fun to color. And yes, this is a Halloween book, but if you like coloring, you can enjoy it year round. So another giveaway book. It's super duper cute. If you want it, just let me know that this is the one that you want. So it looks really cute. Yeah, sorry. If you don't notice, like, cute is literally one of my favorite words. Like, my family always teases me whenever I want something new. Like, when I want a phone case, I'll go to Amazon and literally type in, like, cute phone case, iPhone, whatever it is. And yeah, I always type in cute for everything. So if I say cute way too many times, I'm sorry. I literally think everything in this world is cute. My squishies are so cute. Yeah, that's basically my thing. Anyway, it's super cute. It looks so cool. I love this book. And now for the next one. So this one I actually did in glossy because I figured, you know, let's get a little bit of variety. Really cute, you guys. So this is a Kawaii Halloween coloring book for kids. I have these cute little animals. They got little witch hats and they're so cute. It's literally adorable. This is one of the books that I'm trying this for an ad campaign right now. The ads aren't going super well. I'm kind of struggling with ads in general, but this is like a really, really cute book and I want to try harder coming up to Halloween, so we'll see about that. But it's so cute and I love the light purple, and we kind of got some more of like this look on the back. It's really cute. See, we've got a cute little skull, little stars. As with the other one, we've got this book belongs to page, and then we've got all of the coloring pages, as you can see, and they're all these cute animals. And it's just look at the frog. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Yeah. A bird. Mushroom. So they're not all animals, but you get the gist. It's really, really cute. It's so adorable. Oh, I love this book. Okay, and again, giveaway book. Even if you're not a child or don't have children, it's really, really cute. I would color this if I were more into coloring. I kind of am, it's been a while, but look how cute. It's so cute. So yes, giveaway book. It's really cute. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. and it is glossy. So this is kind of the glossy look compared to the matte look. Okay, lighting, work with me here. So matte, glossy, it's kind of hard to tell actually the difference, like just looking at it here, you kind of have to feel it. I went with glossy because this is more like child oriented. Sorry, I'm like moving around because the lighting is like hitting it weird. What if I angle it? That kind of works. Yeah. So yeah, because this is more kid oriented, this is more adult oriented because it has kind of more that matte, and this is more like the cutesy look to it. So you get the gist. They both look really, really good though, and it's just kind of, it's a little bit different. I mainly just go with matte more for like kid books, and then wait, sorry, the other way around, glossy for kid books, and then matte for like adultier books and things like that. This is one that I created recently. It is a YouTube planner, and I do have two because I don't know if you noticed, but I'm a YouTuber, and so I thought it'd be fun to have my own YouTube planner. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, I started one and I would highly recommend it. Then you might want a YouTube planner. And so now let's look at it. It's really cute. So I have this whole like polka dotty look. I was going with kind of geometric, the pink and the black. It's really cute. YouTube planner, cute and classy. I kind of made it like a line thing, kind of like with my other notebook. I've been experimenting with a couple different styles. I kind of like this one that I'm currently doing. It's really cute. I'm looking inside. It's really cute. Super cute. We've got on the front, YouTube planner, name and phone number, and then the channel analytics page, social media page where you can put in your login info so you never forget it, and then another page for that. And then we start getting into the YouTube planner side of things. So as you can see, we've got like video title, keyword, category, duration, like all sorts of different things so that you can kind of just plan it out. I've got a whole bunch of pages for all that. Like these pages are all pretty much the same, so you can plan a ton of different YouTube videos over the course of a year. And yeah, they're really, really cute. We've got like a checklist thing. Sorry, I'm coming really uncomfortably close to the camera. Checklist thing over here on the side, and like the social media, like where to promote it, and another list thingy. Talk about, points to talk about, and then is that another notes? Ideas. It's an ideas section. It's hard to see like this if you couldn't tell. Yeah, this is really cute. I'm glad I got one for myself too. And then in the very back, we have this YouTube monthly budget plan. Basically so that you can better track your spending and maybe your earnings. Does it? Yeah, it does include income. So that would help a lot because believe it or not, you spend money on a YouTube channel. I mean, I spent money to get this book and promote it on my YouTube channel. So there we go. I put it in the expenses. And then I think the very back right now, I think this is the only thing in the very back. I think the channel analytics. I really like the channel analytics page. I think that'll be a really, really fun way to track. Like, let's see, yeah, the channel analytics. I love this because I think it'd be really cool to be like, I had this many subscribers in this month, and this many in this month, and just kind of see the number go up over the year. I think that'd be really cool. I might start using mine like just at the beginning of next year because it makes the most sense. I'm like, that's so cute. It's so cute. I love this book. And yeah, I thought this like was a 6x9 size, more like this. I totally forgot that I'd made it 8.5 by 11. It still looks really good though, and it's really cute. It's just bigger than I thought it would be, but it's adorable. It's so cute. I love this thing. And yes, this is another giveaway item. So now we're going to talk about the giveaway because I have just exhausted the box. Giveaway time. So all the books here, let me weed out the ones that aren't for the giveaway, just the duplicate ones that I'm holding on to. Here's how the giveaway works, you guys. So to enter the giveaway, it's very, very easy. Just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'd super appreciate it. I'd love to have you. And then please like this video. And then after that, all I ask is that you comment down below what you love most about my channel, which book number you want. I'm gonna number the books in just a moment here, and I'm also probably gonna include all that in the description so that you can just see it all in one place. And then a way for me to contact you. It's like your Instagram handle, email address. Just give me a way to contact you because it's kind of hard to do it through YouTube because there's no way to like message a YouTube user. So it's a bit more complicated. So if you could just leave a way for me to contact you and then I can get in touch with you. The giveaway will go from now until November 4th, 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. And then after that point, I will determine who the winners are. I will announce the winners in like one of my next YouTube videos. And then I will make sure to get in touch with you if you won. And some more rules I want to specify. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube. It's not sponsored by anyone. It's just me and me alone is the one who's doing this. The giveaway is going to be in the United States only, excluding Alaska and Hawaii, just because I don't want to deal with all the international shipping. Alright, that's basically the gist. And now I'm going to number all of the books so that you can just list which book number that you'd like. And so let me grab them and we can go through with that. So number 1, let's just go in the order that I showed all the books. So number 1 is this one. This cute pastel gothy notebook. Again, with the lined interior. Very cute. I would love to keep this for myself if I weren't doing the giveaway. I'm almost tempted to. This is number 1. And then number 2 is the college ruled B composition book. Very, very cute, as you can see. And then number 3, Dinos college ruled composition book. This one's adorable. I love this one. I think anyone would love this one. It's funny, my sister, like, she's been in college, like this has been her first semester, and she keeps getting people in her class being like, dude, that book is so cute, and she's like, thanks, my sister made it, and they're like, wow, really? It's kind of fun. So yeah, this one, really cute. This one is number 3. This one, Halloween coloring book for adults, is number 4. Kawaii Halloween coloring book for kids, number 5. Again, it's kind of kid oriented, but if you like coloring, it's adorable. It's literally so cute. And then last but not least, we have number 6, which is this adorable YouTube planner with all of our lovely space to plan YouTube videos. If you have a YouTube channel or would like to start a YouTube channel, this is the planner for you. I'm definitely going to be using mine. Like, look, we'll be twinsies. It'll be so fun. So yeah, it's really, really cute. I love this thing. Yeah, so this is number 6. I don't know if I mentioned that. Number 6. So those are all the numbers. I'll list them again in the description if for any reason that was complicated and long-winded, because that's basically my middle name. So again, recap. Giveaway open till November 4th at midnight. I will be announcing the winners in my next YouTube video as well as posting on my channel. Giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube, not sponsored by anyone. It is US only, excluding Alaska and Hawaii. There are going to be 6 winners as seen from the 6 books that I just showed you. And to enter, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to comment below 3 different things. What you love the most about my channel, which book number that you want. Again, look in the description or rewind in the video if you want to see all the numbers again. It was just in the order that I showed them. And then number 3, your contact info so I can know how to contact you. Email, Instagram handle, like whatever. Just give me some way that I can message you and be like, hey, you won. What's your address? Let me send you the book. You get the gist. And that is pretty much it. This has been a really, really fun video. Make sure to follow the steps to enter the giveaway. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And then just comment down below. Contact info, which book you want, and your favorite thing about my channel, and then you've literally just entered the giveaway. It's that easy. And I'm very, very excited to be getting rid of all of these super duper cute books. Actually, I'm not excited because they're really, really cute, but I'm very excited for you to receive them. And I'm also going to be signing them just for funsies, because why not? So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please participate in the giveaway if you want one of these super duper cute books I got. Have a fabulous rest of your day, guys. Bye.